Wow! Thank you.
Wow, that was amazing.
I'm like moved. It's emotional. I don't think anyone could have done it better.
Thanks.
That's amazing.
I wouldn't like you. I couldn't. No one else could have done it better. Eric, thank you so much. That's so amazing. What a gift. I'm like so moved to tears. It's so amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure.
What an amazing world.
When did you do that?
Like over the last 2 days.
Nice.
Yeah.
That was so cool.
Thank you for doing that.
Yeah, of course.
Did you like my book?
Yeah, of course I liked it. Otherwise I couldn't write music to it.
Oh, so kind. Thank you. That's like the nicest thing anyone has ever done for my art.
Well, but it all started with an opt-in, an email opt-in. Without the email opt-in, none of this would have happened.
Nothing happens until somebody opts-in to your list.
You know, I actually haven't looked at the story of the book in a long time. Like, even though I did the email opt-in and like,
even though I did the email opt-in.
Okay, even though Matt did the email opt-in, like, I haven't looked at the book because you know how when it's like old work, it's kind of like scary to look at it again because of all the stuff it brings up. But I'm glad I could see it through the lens of your music. It was like the best way for me to look at it again.
Yeah.
But it was intense. Like, it's very moving.
Yeah, it is. I mean,
it's amazing. I'm like so honored and moved.
Yeah, it was a good collaboration.
I know, epic collaboration. So cool.